Gotta let it go, 'cause I'm in my zone, and I feel it all over, deep down in my soul. So I'm reminded, I'm gonna burn up the night, kid, we're gonna live. But didn't you feel the blast? Wasn't your week so typical, so typical? Well, clap your hands, clap your hands. Well, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Well, clap your hands, clap your hands. It's something in the air, it's something in the beat. It makes me feel so freedom, freedom, freedom. I gotta let it flow, 'cause I know what I know, and I feel it all over. It's deep down in my bones, and I won't fight it. I'm gonna burn up the night, kid, we're gonna live. But didn't you hear your name? Wasn't your week so typical?